everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. I am Cemal Bulunmaz and you are here on our channel. Today I will study a CNC tool which is one of the most popular CNC tools, CNC POINT tool, and I will work on a most popular rings or bangles, but I will work on rings today of the market today. Let's see if you will like it. You are watching CNC tool video series. That's a video series of 10 different videos. I'm introducing you our different tools in this series. You can click below descriptions of that video and see the different video links of that series. So this is the point tool video, and what I will do in this video, I will use first RINGMAKER CNC machine. I will make a cover all around the ring with 1mm point tool. I will show you just now. And secondly, I will jump into my Bangle Master CNC machine and make the same, exactly same model but on a radius ring, and then show you the difference of flat and radius ring end of this video. What is point tool? I'm holding a point tool in my hand. If you watched CNC line tool video, just previous video before in this video series, there is a natural diamond or monocrystal diamond depending on our production load or your choice on the tip of the diamond, and there is a shape of the diamond which gives point effect on your rings or imitation stone effect, I can call. Diamond on the point tool, there is a cover which we hold the diamond, we can unscrew it to repair your tools and then screw again. And then there is a shank, that's a 6mm shank, but you can always order special shank sizes such as 3, 4, 5, 6, even 8mm, whatever you want, all depends on your machine, the machine you use. That's the Bulunmaz tool catalog. On page 25 you can see our different size point tools from 0.10 up to 2mm, but you can always order even bigger sizes, even smaller sizes, even medium sizes. All are based on orders. As I told you, I will use two machines in this video. I will make the same model first in our RINGMAKER 4-axis CNC machine, and then I will jump into Bangle Master 12-axis CNC machine. My model is ready. I just set the tool on the machine and I'm starting the operation. You will see now how the point tool will engrave the points, the small points, the small imitation stone looking effects on the ring. RINGMAKER completed its operation. It took about 2 minutes. That's a question I'm getting really often. How many minutes your machine can make the models, can finish the models? It really depends on many things. It depends on your model, which tool you are using, which speed and which finishing quality you want to make. But we can say that more or less 1.5 to 2 minutes to sometimes 3 minutes is the average time for ring operation in RINGMAKER CNC machine. The machine is pretty fast, don't worry about it. We will give you much more information when you contact us. I will just clean and take out my ring now. See how is the final result. Here you see the point tool effect. I covered all around my ring, so if you look carefully, you can see small dots, small points. That's 1mm point tool. We are using an iPhone for our video shots. We use iPhone XS Max, so sometimes the view is not really good. So if you couldn't see the points well, just have a look at our website or our Instagram account. Here you can see the address Bulunmaz Tools, because we are uploading finished product pictures, much better quality. You can see many of them. Second part of that video, we will engrave exactly the same model with 1mm point tool in our other CNC machine, Bangle Master B12 11-axis. We will use again the same tool and we will use the same design on a radius ring, and then we will compare the difference. Bangle Master is our latest CNC machine. That's the new generation B12 12-axis one. It can make many different movements. You can see more videos about it on our YouTube channel. Just have a look at on Bangle Master playlist, and you can find lots of different videos. You can collect lots of different ideas. I put my ring with a radius, and my 1mm point tool is ready, so I can start the operation. It's really easy to use our machines, don't worry about it. So that's a 12 axis machine. It's moving on a radius. Here you see the operation. Bangle Master completed the process. It took a quick process, and I used 1mm point tool. Now let's take out our ring and let's compare the difference between RINGMAKER and Bangle Master results. Here you see the Bangle Master finishing with small points on it, and here you see RINGMAKER. You can easily compare the abilities of machines and the results of the same tool in different machines. If you look carefully, you can see clearly the point effect on my rings. We used a 1mm point tool in this video with my ring, but you can have different size of point tools, starting from 0.10mm, 0.20, 0.30, and going up to 2mm in sizes. And you can also place your special orders for different sizes such as 3mm, 4mm point size. Just have a look at www.bulunmaz.com to our website, and you will find an online store where you can directly check, watch, and order any size you want. That was the second video of our CNC tool video series, and in the next video you will find a different tool, CNC ball tool. I hope you are enjoying our YouTube channel, and I hope you will find something useful for you. Thank you so much for watching us.